I've got another one at home, so next time I'll just leave that in there. So, and by the way, I forgot to tell you that I had a rather fun dream the other night that I wish was not a dream. It was that Donnie and Rhonda got into a physical altercation, and I was having fun in that dream.
Oh, no.
Because I know that she can definitely take care of her.
Oh, hell yeah.
Donnie wouldn't stand a chance against her. Right here.
Well, thanks again for letting me ride up front.
Oh, yeah. Okay. You know what? I did something I don't usually do. I did not set the, I should say I did not do something I usually do, and I did not set the e-brake. Usually I do that.
You're learning.
Well, actually, it is a good thing to do that because it does help minimize the load on your transmission.
Can I let you on a little secret? If I got to back up against the hill, I use the e-brake too.
Yeah.
And sometimes I'll turn the wheel because, God forbid, if that parking pole and the e-brake give, yeah, it's a little bit of glare.
Yeah, well, but it's recording the glare off of the radar detector.
Anyway,
I'm going to get a little bit of V6 therapy.
Oh, yeah, well, you're the driver. Although it will be nice if you can drive the church van. I know you miss it. I know you do. If it was my decision...
But I also want to see...
Landon.
Get into it, and when he's ready,
he'll be good.
Yeah, and I think we need to really push getting him into the driver's seat.
Well, you got to make sure not to ruffle Delene's feathers.
Well, I don't think that will.
Yeah.
I think she'll be pleased that we want him to do that.
Anytime he gets to, I let him ride with me.
And she's my mom's sponsor, by the way. And,
well, and if I was talking to Landon, we were talking about letting him do the last ride with us, one catch. We'd have to get him home. He lives up near Chatteroy.
Well,
if I had the gas, I'd do it.
Or I could do it.
Either way.
Have the gas.
Yeah.
And once he gets a license, I might toss the keys to this to him. And
that'll be interesting. And I think he'll be good at it. Oh, yeah.
So he's a good kid.
He is. He definitely has what it takes.
Yeah.
And the funny thing is, it all started with me letting him play video games on my cell phone at the old building, you know. And I just had to make sure he was.
Place.
Yeah, me too.
But you know, I've seen some of the new videos that show the interior. It's disgusting.
Well, I'll tell you something.
It's depressing to look at.
I did have to keep an eye on my phone because if his mother caught him watching South Park, oh, forget it. Something tells me she wouldn't be okay with that. Of course, when it comes to the latest season of South Park, I'm inclined to agree with her. I mean, it's not that good, Kimberly.
There we go. That's a little better. It's a little bit close to the
yeah, I don't want to go off there. There we go.
I wasn't hitting the rumble strip yet, but it wasn't that far off.
Very nice.